It's not all plain sailing, you know, on Redbus. Last Friday on the village round, we turned up. Turned up to our site and opened the window. Quite a queue waiting for their fish and chips. And first of all, flipping card machine wouldn't work, so I had to sort that out. I mean, that took several minutes, and it's a bit annoying, you know, when you've got a queue and you want to get on. Then discovered this pan wasn't working. Although it was switched on, it had only got up to 70 centigrade. It should be 190. So there's nothing I could do. I tried switching it on, switching it off, and it still wouldn't. It would only go up to 70. I think it's a thermostat problem. But I had to end up using the two remaining pans. There's 3 pans. I used the 2 remaining pans, this pan to do the fish and the other one that end to do the chips, which is a bit restricting, you see. So anyway, I'll show you what happens. This is the controller for the left pan. The black pointer shows the actual temperature of the oil, currently at about 20, which is room temperature, and the red pointer, which is where you set your temperature. So I'm going to set it to about 190, and that's where the black one should go up to once the gas is switched on. But it actually only goes up to 70 at the moment, so that's the problem. Anyway, I'll switch the fan on. That's this fan control. That draws all the combustion fumes out and the oil hot air and everything. And then I'll turn the gas on. You see it ignite in a minute. Yeah, that's it. So the flame is ignited, and this should creep up. It takes a few minutes to do, but it creeps up gradually as it warms up. It's at 65 now, and I think in a minute it will cut itself off, which it shouldn't do, because I want it to go around to 190. I'll take the front inspection thing off, and we can have a good look in the pans, in the burners. This is the view looking up at the bottom of the pans. There's 2 rows of burners. Quite a nice blue flame there, and underneath, there you go, that's what it looks like. There you go, it's just cutting itself out now. The light's gone off, the flame's been cut, and it's stopped. So that's the problem. I've got the engineer coming tomorrow to have a look at it.
You didn't just get my ball patch in there, did you?
Yeah. Reflecting the light a bit badly though. It's going
Dodgy.
Is that the dodgy one?
We'll make sure it heats up.
I thought it was the thermostat.
No, it got up to 65 degrees and then it cut out.
Oh.
So we'll see whether it goes higher now.
Problem sorted. Ashley, the engineer's just left. The problem was a faulty coil on the pilot light on the range. So that's that. We don't. It's very reliable. We don't really have too much problems at all with it. It's strange, you know, that these things occasionally happen. So this week we'll be back on the village round as usual.